What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So we're going to talk about DTC-015. It was filed immediately effective, and it will be published tomorrow in the Fed Register for implementation. Now, what this one is, it's a proposed rule change to amend DTC's procedures and make clarifying changes to DTC rules. I'm going to run down this real quick. I made a video earlier, but I didn't do a very good job of describing it, so I'm going to go ahead and redo that real quick. So the purpose of this is, one, to amend and clarify certain notice provisions relating to proposed rule changes. Number two, eliminate obsolete rules. And three, make technical and clarifying changes to the rules as discussed more fully below. So as far as number one here, they're basically taking and following suit that we saw from the NSCC and the FICC, in which they are removing the 10-day notification period where they must notify their members and participants before they are allowed to post a new rule change. They feel like there's adequate time given, and they're going to waive that 10-day period to help streamline the rulemaking process. Now, number two, eliminate obsolete rules. If we go down here to collateral positioning, Rule 34, for example, they're going to be taking this rule out because it is basically the predicate service operated by Euroclear Bank, and it is no longer being offered. In 2016, they filed a rule with the commission to add Rule 34, and then they took Rule 34 out, or basically they took the system that it was using, the DEGCL, or the Euroclear Global Collateral Inventory Management Service. It's a United Kingdom joint venture of the Depository Trust and Clear Corporation and Euroclear SA. That was basically taken off, I guess, in March 10th of 2020, the DEGCL joint venture was dissolved. So the rule is no longer necessary, which is why they're removing it. Basically what that did, it offered each user an automated mechanism for using the securities it held at DTC as collateral on the books of EB, basically. And other than that, they're changing the process of appointing a hearing panel with the NSCC panel selection process. Not much going on there. They're aligning Rule 23 with NSCC Rule 26, which is bills rendered. And they're replacing references to the vice president with the executive director. They're amending their bylaws. And then they give you an implementation date. So basically, the biggest thing to take away from this is that they're going to be waiving that 10-day period for rulemaking, just like we saw from the NSCC. So keep that in mind. That's basically it. Should be ready to go tomorrow. But yeah, it says right here, they're already provided adequate notice of any rule changes, including changes to its procedures through the rule change process. So that's the biggest thing. Have a good one.